Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Hey, Maxine, happy surprise 76th birthday. I hope they got you good. To one of my favorite aunts. You know, I can't mess that up, but ain't say her. But I just really want to say happy birthday. You are so deserving, so loved, and this is truly an honor to pay tribute to you in some way. I am so sorry I could not be there in person, in vacation in Orlando, spending time with the family. But I just want to say I love you. Thank you for the seeds that you have sown in my life to allow me to become the fruitful woman that I've become. And I'm just blessed from the time we were growing up through campfire. Oh my God, the moments that we've had and shared, truly all the way up to the Sunday schools, and just the one time. And Claire allowed me to spend a night at your house. Thank you. And I'm, you know, what can I say? To honor you is truly to honor God, because of the life that you've lived, the prayers that you've prayed. They're working. And I'm excited to have had you in my life. God saw fit to place a beautiful woman like you, phenomenal woman. And so I'm blessed and I'm thankful. I love you. Hopefully we can have another campfire reunion sometime soon, and so we can give you more flowers while you yet live. Love you, Auntie. Until we see each other again, God bless. Mwah!